I feel compelled to say something today. After watching the news and seeing 3 young people fell to their death over a waterfall. What really got to me was the rest of the group came on TV, and what I didn't see was a lot of remorse. They call themselves High on Life. Instagram, 1.1 million followers. But here's the problem. When you are getting cheap thrills and you think that's high on life, you need to relook at what you're talking about. Because there are a lot of things you can do to make you high on life that doesn't include risking your life and dying early. What's your contribution to Earth? Get high on helping people. Get high on building things. Get high on finding the cure for cancer. Get high on creating jobs. A lot of things you can get high on. But no, what do you choose to do? Get high on getting likes. There are a lot of people out there right now misusing Instagram and YouTube. It's all about the likes. Be honest. Rethink that. Because life is high itself, and it's about longevity too. Go out there and live high and doing things and making a difference. Get high on that.